Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to install Genshin Impact on laptop or PC. So let's start. Alright, so first let's open up a web browser. So here I have Google Chrome already opened. So here, let's type in Genshin in the search bar. And let's choose the first one from the results. Now from here, tap on the download button on the upper right portion and choose Windows from the list. Now it is going to download the installer for Windows, and once it's done downloading, it is going to open the software. Now click on the agreement and click on Install Now. So once that's done, click on Run Now. And from here, if you want to change your directory to save space, you can click on Change Path. Choose the hard drive you want to use and click on Install. When it's done installing, click on Launch. And in here, you can enter your username and password if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can register for one. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.